Yo, what up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So on this video, pretty much just me explaining how much I spent on the NISMO to get it where it's at. I'm not gonna be adding on performance things I did to the car, because that's actually just extra stuff. It wasn't stuff needed to get the car running and back in shape. Fuck. What I mean by that is I won't be adding the price of the test pipes, the my exhaust, the wheels. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and sit in the car, because I did get into a little accident at work. I got a cut on my foot that requires stitches, so I just been home all week, and I probably will be home all next week as well. Today's Saturday, and yeah, I can't really move around much. So I need both my hands to move around, so I'm just gonna go ahead and sit in the car, and I'll explain to you guys how much I spent on the car. All right, guys, we're back in the car. Interior looking clean. Cleaned it like last week. I really want to fucking shampoo these seats though, because that was just dirtiness. But there's like little real dirt spots I want to get rid of. I also need a goddamn radio. But yeah, let's get right into this. All right, guys, so I had to go back to my old video of what I spent to see where I was at. So in that video, I was at, excuse me, my handwriting is bad, but I was at 46.50. That was my last thing I recorded. So let's just add whatever we spent. Okay, so the body work on this car, what I mean is like putting the whole front end together and stuff like that. That right there was $2,000. Paint, fuck, 19. I still have to wet sand and buff the car, so that's another $500. But we haven't done it yet, so I'm not gonna add that right now. So 19. The last video I put the front bumper, but I didn't put the rear bumper. Rear bumper was 800 used. Shout out to my boy Mia. He hooked me up with like all these parts. Honestly, if it wasn't for him, I would have to buy a new front bumper and rear bumper, because since then I have not seen any NISMO bumpers for sale locally. So thanks to him. Next is headlights, 200. What else? I'm gonna put the front windshield, 150. I did have to buy, well, the wheels count. The wheels didn't count. I ended up buying, in that last video when I sold those NISMO wheels, I just bought some DE stocks for $100. I mean, I don't think I even should add that, but whatever, I'll add it. What else? Tail lights, $60. That's what I got the JDM tail lights for, $60. And I just ended up trading them for the ones I have now. So yeah, $60. I think that is it. The other video I already covered the hood, the front bumper, fenders, airbags. I covered all that. Just trying to think. I traded the wing for the carbon wing I had. Didn't add any money to that. Is that the NISMO badge that you guys saw at the beginning of it? I did install the NISMO badge, which was another $60. I think that's about it. That covers, yeah, it covers everything. Or does it? You know what? The car did have a fucked up steering pump to be able to drive, so I'm gonna add that. That was also $60. I had to buy the line. Where the hell did I get the line from? the line, yeah, the power steering line that was also ripped to be able to drive. I had to get a pump and line. I think the line was damn, how much was the line? I think it was 70. Yeah, I believe it was 70. So now I'm gonna add up all that right now with the calculator, and we'll see the total cost. All right, guys. So this is the total cost. Sorry for my freaking horrible handwriting. $10,050. Yeah, that's pretty much getting the car from where I got it to where it's at now. Was it worth it rebuilding a NISMO and spending this much? I believe so, because I have seen rebuilt title NISMOs for like 11,000-12,000 bucks, but they've been over 100,000 miles. They've been like at 130, 140, 120, and yeah, and that's not even being in mint condition. I mean, mine is not in mint condition, obviously, but it looks far better than those. And this car only does have 50,000 miles, and it's a rare color, which is a red, which is you don't see a lot. You mostly see silver, black, and white. Pretty much the basic color that you see all the time. But yeah, that's what I spent, $10,050. I don't regret it at all. I think that's pretty cheap considering the miles, the color of the NISMO, and you know, it runs and drives perfect. I did order the galley gaskets. As you saw in my last video, I did order that, so I don't know if my foot will be fine by next week, but if it is, I will be taking the front end apart and starting that, because I need to do that ASAP. Something that's really bothering me. What else have I done? Yeah, I added a NISMO badge like I showed you guys. I did add these LED lights. Shout out to Stacks, Nick Stacks. I'll be leaving his YouTube right here. You guys want to follow me? He also has a NISMO, a black one, very nice. These were $7. I got these. I had put one on my headlight because I was missing one there. I put one in the trunk, and then I put it on my license plate. And it also comes with like a little like ply tool thing to take out the plastics and shit. For $7. Really nice, because they're, I mean, you won't see it now, but they're really bright at night. So yeah, that's pretty much for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If anyone plans on rebuilding a NISMO, I mean, this won't be for every NISMO. And if someone does question me about, damn, that was really cheap paint. I mean, because at the end of the day, I was not going to spend clean title paint on a rebuilt title NISMO. Hell no. At the end of the day, I know it's a rebuilt title, and the day that I do sell it, it's not going to sell for a freaking clean title price. So why would I spend? I did get a quote from one of my boys' paint shop that he does great work. He does awesome work. But yeah, he quoted me $5,500. So I was like, yeah, I'm not spending that on a rebuild title. Just won't. I know this car is a rebuild title, so I just won't spend clean title money on it. I do care for the car and everything, but not to the point where I'm gonna spend over 20 grand to still at the end of the day have a rebuild title NISMO. Yeah, I won't do that. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will do one last clip of the outside of the car if you want to see that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and if you like the video, hit that like button and subscribe, please. Once I lower it, it's gonna look so much better. So much better. But alright, now I'm gonna head back to my crippled, boring life. I'll see you guys in the next video.